So well done, you're at week 2 now, day number 8. So now what you want to do is same as what you've been doing on the first week. You want 2 scoops in the morning, 10 to 30 minutes before your breakfast, or definitely on an empty stomach in the morning. And now you want to be doing the same again, but for an evening dose. You're having 2 scoops, 10 to 30 minutes before your evening meal, or just on an empty stomach. You don't have to have a meal 10 to 30 minutes after. And then you want to be repeating this process of 2 scoops twice a day for anywhere from like 2 to 4 weeks, or even just until you're happy that the right amount of detoxification has taken place, and obviously your bowel movements are starting to normalize again. You're getting a nice healthy 3 bowel movements a day, and you're not really seeing anything come out in the bowel movements, like, because you can see stuff come out and then you sort of know you're still cleansing. So yeah, it's entirely dependent on where you're at and how you feel with your body, but you want to be on your 2 scoops twice a day now. And a good little pro tip is to put this Qenda Ultimate Fibre somewhere in your kitchen where it's going to prompt you to have it before you have your evening meal, just so you remember to have it, because I know what it's like with life. We get caught up in our daily routines and the madness of the world. So put it somewhere where you'll remember it. Have 2 scoops on an empty stomach, 10 to 30 minutes before an evening meal. Or if you forget before your evening meal, you can even have it on an empty stomach before you go to bed. Just make sure you're waiting 2 hours or 2.5 hours to make sure that you've got a total empty stomach and you've digested the food that you've had before then. So enjoy.